Good morning. Want to give you a quick introduction to what we're going to do today. I was browsing online and I came upon this XR500 motorcycle. It's a pretty sweet deal. Wasn't running, but we're going to take a look at it. So we got the Honda XR500 back in the garage, and as you can see, it's in a pretty rough shape. It's rusted, it's missing some pieces, it's not running. I haven't checked, but I'm gonna guess the carburetor's seized up, so that's gonna need some cleaning. The engine is a XL500R engine bottom end. The cylinder should be an XR500, but again, if you guys have any more inside knowledge, let me know. The front fender is probably not the right one. The headlight, I'm not sure. I think it's Honda, but is it XR500? Not sure if it's this type. This should be the 1982 PE01 XR500. I think the headlight is of an XR500. I'm not sure if it's the same type. The gas tank should be original, so is the seat, or what's left of the seat, the side fairings, the frame, the engine, the shocks, the wheels, the forks, the front end. It's all XR500. Also, the front end is missing some pieces. It doesn't have a tacho or speedometer. So this chain guard, picked up some, because this step is rusted. The other side with the rear brake. I noticed there wasn't a shifter, so we also picked up a shifter, and we also got this guard for the engine. Yeah, it's not complete. It's gonna need a lot of work. So this is gonna be my project for, I don't know, the coming months, years. I hope it's months. It's gonna be fun, and I hope you guys are gonna have fun with me. Please like and subscribe. See you next time when we get started on this one.